Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 11. What are field parameters in Power BI?
In this class, we are going to discuss about what are field parameters in Power BI. Field parameters in Power BI let users dynamically change the fields that are columns or measures used in visuals. For example, switching between sales and profit or between region or category using a slicer. Field parameters let you create a single visual that can dynamically switch between multiple. For example, measures like sales, profit, margin are dimensions like region, product and category based on user selections, usually through a slicer. Introduction of field parameters which are introduced in May 2022 Power BI Desktop update. Initially as a preview feature, and now it is the main feature that can be used for dynamic filtering. The purpose of field parameters are it enables dynamic field or measure selection, reduce the need for multiple values or visuals, enhance interactivity in reports. Let us see these things practically in Power BI Desktop. We are in Power BI Desktop. I have connected to Sample Superstore Excel. It is having this a data set which is having different columns like this. Here we are trying to create field parameters based on like fields and measures. Now first we will see how to create a simple visual here, then we can convert that into. Here I am having a line chart with the region and profit. This is a normal line chart that we used to have sum of profit by region. If you want to change these things between different product or city or something like that, if you want to have multiple column values, then we can go and create field parameters. To create field parameters, we have to go to modeling tab. There, here in new parameters tab, you can click on field parameter. Now here we can give a field parameter underscore one. That means our parameter 1 we are trying to create here. From here, what are the different fields that you need to change between different column names? I am selecting the region and the city, and based on customer segment, I'm just trying to take these three columns here. And what it will do is it will automatically create one slicer, and this is the MDX for creating a new table. This would be 3 columns it is going to create like this. If you want to add any other column, you can add another one. Instead of 2, you have to give 3. Like this, you can add any number of like dimensions to a particular named table. Now, this field parameter has created one table by using MDX slice like this. And in this table, we are having only one column value. Now, in this visual, we are going to dynamically change the measure values. Here, this slicer, it has created automatically while creating the field parameter. Okay. Now, we are clicking on this visual. Instead of a region, what we are going to do is we are going to take this field parameter 1. Now, let's see. We are just selecting the region first. Sum of profit by region, and if you select city, then it will change to sum of profit by city. If you change to customer segment, then it will turn into sum of profit by customer segment. Like that, dynamically we can change the different measure, like different dimensions. We can have the sum of profit by different dimension values. For example, if you want to create another visual, that has to be dynamically filtered by using the measure value. Here, there are 2 types of measures that we are going to have: implicit measures and explicit measures. Implicit measures are like measures which are default in a table. These are sales kind of things, are unit price. These are implicit measures. If you create any measure on top of existing measure, they are going to be explicit measures. Like total profit, I have created a simple DAX formula here for total profit and total sales. These are the DAX that I have created. Now we can create another field parameter for measures. Field parameters underscore measures. Now in orders, we are trying to select these two parameters here, and it will create another DAX, that is a table by using the DAX built in it. You can add any number of measures over here by putting comma, and here you have to change. Instead of 1, 2, 3 something like that, you can add on different measures if you want manually in this DAX code. And here we are having another measure like this. See, it has created another slicer for total measures, something like that. Now I am going to just copy and paste this visual here. Here, instead of profit, I am just selecting this value. And I am going to select some measure here. See, now total profit and total sales by city. If you filter based on a particular slicer, these are two slicer values that we are having. Total sales by city. Now we are filtering on city. In the same way, we can filter on total profit by city. In this way, we can create a field parameter based on a dimension value and based on a measure value, that is explicit measure, that you created in the data set or in the table or in the Excel that you are connected to a particular source. In this way, field parameters are newly introduced from May 2022 in Power BI. These are for dynamic filtering of measures and dynamic filtering of dimensions. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.